भाई नीचे बैठ जाना जो भी आगे से आए, नीचे हो जाओ, नीचे बैठ जाओ।
भैया फ्लैश फ्लैश नीचे करो।
Actual craftsman gets a larger number.
When we give the grant to the entrepreneurs, that's one of the conditions that they have to ensure that the artisans get a fair price.
This place very use of money, it's black in color, and technique is also
सर फेस पीछे रखो, फेस पीछे रखो।
product is
Coming close. These are all the hits are select and it's all natural.
We have good colors. नहीं भिजवाना नहीं, मेरे यहाँ को देखते नहीं है। So you come and buy it.
Natural style. Okay. कौन बोलेगा ये?
Very nice.
India,
Colors are
fabric of Meghalayan.
वो देखूंगा सब। It's really nice.
Spend about 2 minutes explaining about the concept of why the store was conceptualized and how we're trying to move forward in things. So while we were working with different sectors and with different artisans, what we realized was there was a gap from the artisan's point of view, the weaver's point of view, and reaching it to the final marketplace. So we realized that the linkage between the weavers and artisans and the entrepreneurs was very important for us to be able to finally give the market to the different products that were there. And also it was very important to add a professional touch and packaging to the product and obviously display of the products. So it was a long journey. It started off by starting off with the artisans, then we also started off by linking with the entrepreneurs, supporting the different artisans and entrepreneurs. So it's not that this store has just come up in one day, and this has been a very hard work and culmination, I should say, of different activities taking place at different levels. So it's a process which will take time to stabilize, but this is where it starts. Next step will be to take it to online, and obviously strengthen the supply chain is going to be very, very critical.